Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get your OpenAI ChatGPT API key. Alright, let's begin. First, go to platform.openai.com. If you already have a ChatGPT account, click Login at the top right. If you don't, click Sign Up to create an OpenAI account. This account will also work for ChatGPT. Once logged in, click the search bar, erase everything after docs, and type API keys. This will take you directly to the API Keys section. Click Create New Secret Key. Enter a name for your key, like First Key. Then click Create Secret Key. Your API key will be shown once. Copy it right away because after clicking Done, it cannot be viewed again. You can always delete or generate a new key if needed. To start using your API key, your account must have available credits. So that's basically how you can get your OpenAI ChatGPT API key. And that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks.